Hi and welcome to my channel Print This. Today we're going to try printing the puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's. Make sure to subscribe, watch till the end and leave a comment telling me which attempt you think turned out the best. 5 attempts. 1 puppet. First attempt. The first puppet was only 10 centimeters tall, which made the fingers extremely small, and they broke off together with the supports. Attempt 2. The second puppet was 20 centimeters tall, but because of the thin legs and supports, the parts just started falling off, so let's move on. Attempt 3. The third puppet was made using flexible TPU plastic for extra flexibility, but even then the model still wasn't strong enough. Attempt 4. The fourth puppet was printed horizontally to avoid the previous mistakes, and I think this one was finally a successful attempt, but we're not stopping here, we're going to try again. Attempt 5. Yes! The final attempt? We're printing the puppet horizontally using TPU plastic to give the figure more flexibility. I personally think the last puppet turned out the best. What about you? Which one do you think is the most successful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me who we should print next.